Hello, my name is Antons Antonovs, student number 800266375, and I would like to demonstrate my alarm system. Here is my alarm system with keypad, motion sensor, thermos sensor, push button, buzzer, LEDs, LCD screen. I have the Wi-Fi shield on it. It's just I'm testing it. So here is the Arduino sketch. I can verify it, and there is no compiling errors, so I will upload it to my Arduino. It's uploaded, and here is my processing code. I run it as well. So it's open the interface. If I enter wrong password, it will say in console wrong password, and it will keep asking me if I enter letters. It will say you did not enter number and wrong password. So if I enter correct password, I'm getting access to the interface where I can control my Arduino. On the right side you can see thermistor readings. So if I will just touch this sensor, I will increase this temperature. It become red and the alarm is triggered. Now I'm not touching the thermosensor. It go down and the alarm is off. Then emergency button opening the browser with HC website with all the numbers that possibly could be needed in emergency situation. If I click kitchen zone, on the display you will see the thermistor readings. I click it, and for 8 seconds it's showing Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature in the room. It could change as well. Then I can arm my alarm system. I click this. It's count in the console and it's count on the LCD display. It's on. It will probably trigger now because of the motion sensor here. Yes, it's triggered. So I will disarm my alarm. It's off. I will hide the motion sensor in the box for a second to show more functionalities. Okay, I just hide my motion sensor in the box. Now I can arm my alarm again. So it's counting here, also counting here. Alarm is on, and I can disarm my alarm as well. Alarm is off. All these actions are savings in logs. Here is the button. You click logs and it shows you in console all the logs, time when alarm was triggered, date. Also in the folder where you have processing file, there is of course background image, it's important, and data text file. You open it and all these logs saved there in the text file. Next I will show some basic things. I arm my alarm. No, 1 second. I will disarm it. I can disarm it here as well. So if I arm my alarm and while countdown going I press the push button, it means the door is open in the entry exit zone and alarm is triggered straight away. So I need to disarm it. Now it's disarmed. In my project, push button is entry exit zone. It's like a switch or sensor on the door if it's opened or closed. Motion sensor in the living room, it's second zone. So if somebody broke the window and come in, it will determine movement, alarm will trigger. Thermistor sensor is a kitchen zone. If there will be fire, the temperature of course increase and it will trigger the alarm. I will record second video where I will explain code in details. Thank you very much for your attention.